All right, so what's going on? So I had some questions. People wanted to know which mouthpiece I was playing. In the last video I was playing where I was playing outside, I was taking the licks through the different keys. That was the second generation of the Quamon Fowler mouthpiece. We call it Pure Vibe. This one is first generation that I'm on right now. This particular combination really sounds really natural, and if I'm in more intimate settings, this would work well. The Pure Vibe one is really free blowing and it has a big sound, but it's kind of hard to get that intimate, smooth sound that you would like the first generation. On my YouTube channel, what I do is I share clips of me shedding in the park, here in the studio, and different things, whatever I'm inspired to do. But then what I do within my sound musician mentorship program, I show how to actually apply the very licks that you might see around the internet. We actually have a time when we hook up and we get on Zoom, and then I'll break down the licks and actually show how we can apply it to an actual song. So that's what we do in the sound musician mentorship program. And another thing we're doing is we're doing marketing strategies, and we'll talk and link up and just talk about the best practices right now for posting content on social media or releasing your singles, and what to do in order to get more gigs and different things like that. So those are some of the areas that we hit a part of the sound musician mentorship program. And if you're interested in joining, just go to shed.quamonfowler.com, or you can go to the link that's in the description of this video. All right, so I do have a free group there, which is called Sound Collective, and you can go to that group. It's a Telegram group, and you can see what we got going on there. So it's like a light version of what we do inside of the Sound Musician Mentorship Program. So I look forward to connecting with you, and we'll see you on the next one.